Hi everyone, Deb here with Dahlia Designs. So, working as a starting point with the Star-Crossed Lovers kit that Softflex was kind enough to send to me, and I did the reveal in a separate video. The timing was perfect because I have a pocket letter which I won't share. You'll have to go to my other channel and see it on the 14th with my swap partner. Anyway, it is a Valentine's swap, so the fact that this had hearts, these little ceramic ones, and these gold ones in the kit prompted me to want to do a charm for the pocket letter. So I needed a few other things. I have these safety pins in my stash and also these little extender chains, which are perfect. And I might add another one. I'm not sure yet. Like add on to this to make it longer, but I'm not positive. And I brought a few other things in from my stash, some pink beads as well, because the pocket letter has red and pink in it and black actually. So I have some little black hearts as well that are AB finish on one side. And I have these little red, white, and pink glass beads. And I have some little red and translucent pink hearts. I have more of them, but I think that should be enough. And also, these are some little rose quartz rounds, some pink frosted rounds, and some gold leaf beads, but they're kind of shaped like hearts. So I thought those would bring out more of the gold in there. But all these things are from the Jesse James kit, and that's my starting point, as well as, have to have something to put it on. So this will hook into the pocket letter, and I'll probably put I was thinking of putting seed beads here, and I might put just a bead stopper here and here to make it not slide around so much. But I'm thinking I'll just tie ribbon, and I might use the one from the kit that was the maroon ribbon. I think that would be pretty with it up here on this, or the hole that this goes in on the pocket letter. I might tie that, and I will be taking a picture or doing a video of the pocket letter. I just can't share it until after the recipient does the reveal on Valentine's Day. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I have some head pins and eye pins and things. I'm going to go ahead and start making dangles and lay them out, and I'll come back and share that with you, and then I'll show you the finished project. Okay? Okay, everyone, so here's how I've come up with it. There are 11 links, including the top one and the bottom one. I figure I'll put one of the larger gold hearts at the bottom. Now, I do have two other ones in here, but um, there are 10 links, not including the top one, and I thought on the top one I'll just put one of these ceramic beads with the black Jet AB heart coming from there, and then the rest I have enough for all the other links, um, two charms per link. So we'll see how it goes, and if I need more, I have extra beads out here, and I'll come back, and I think I'm probably just going to do simple loops, make this easy on myself, and hook them right onto the chain. I don't always do that, but I think I'm going to this time. So I'll come back and show you the finished charm. See you soon. Just a couple, oh, nope. Just a couple points I want to make as I started this. First of all, I put this right on the pin. I don't like that. I'm going to end up hooking it into that top piece, but I'll wait until I get all the other beads on. The other thing is, if I had wanted to do wrapped loops, I would have had to go on to a larger head pin or wire. I used all 1.5 inch head pins, which worked out beautifully just to do simple loops, and I'm sure you've all seen that where you just bend the wire over. I bend it over my finger, cut it off right on the other side of my finger, and then make my loop, and it works out most of the time. Probably 98% of the time or so, 99 maybe. And also, the last tip is I start from the bottom of the chain because if you start from the top, then you're constantly having to push the beads up out of your way. So if you start at the bottom and work your way up, it's easier. And those are my few tips. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and I'll show you the finished charm. See you soon. Okay, everyone, I have the charm done. It is attached to the pocket letter, which I'm not going to share with you in this video, like I mentioned. I did use about half of the velvet ribbon up at the top. I just hooked this through the hole of the pocket letter, and here's the bead dangles, and I think it turned out okay. Um, Kind of wish I had a little more variety in the beads, but it's fine. It's pink and red and a little bit of black thrown in, and I think it'll be really cute. Now, I'm not as happy with the safety pin idea, and I couldn't get any beads to go around the bend. I'm sure there's a trick to that. I was thinking seed beads maybe, but I'm going to leave it as it is for now, and the recipient can always change it out for a different clasp or do whatever they want with it, right? Even take these off the chain and put them along here. That would be an option. To turn it into a pin you could wear is to take, instead of having them on chain, dangle them from uh, probably the bottom part down here of the safety pin. I just thought of that. Anyway, that is my first make using the Soft Flex Star-Crossed Lovers Kit and some other things I brought in of my own. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll be back with some other makes from the Star-Crossed Lovers Soft Flex Kit, probably in the next couple days. Probably early next week. I have some personal stuff going on between now and Sunday. So, yeah. All right. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.